Hello, can you solve this and find the value of t that satisfies this equation? This is t plus 1 equals t. So let's start by taking the squares of both parts of this equation. I have t plus 1, and this is raised to the power of 2, and this equals t raised to the power of 2. Now let's consider this identity. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a is t and b is 1. So let's substitute it right here and let's use this identity in order to expand. So applying the identity here, we are going to have t squared plus 2 times our a is t times our b is 1 plus b squared 1 power 2 equals t squared. So from here we have t squared plus 2 times t, 2t times 1, this is 2t plus 1 power 2, this is 1, equals t squared. Right now, I can decide to move this t squared over here, it becomes negative t squared. So I'm going to be left with this, which is 2t plus 1 equals t squared minus t squared. So from here, I have 2t plus 1 equals t squared minus t squared is 0. So we have to solve for t. I can decide to move this positive 1 over here, it becomes negative 1. I have 2t equals negative 1. Now, in order to solve for t right now, I can divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. So what happens here is that if 2 eliminates 2, I'm simply going to have t equals negative 1 over 2. Now, this is the answer that we have gotten. So the next step will be for us to insert this answer back into that particular equation. And let's see if it's going to satisfy this equation. So what I have here is t equals negative 1 over 2, what we have solved so far. And the question remains t plus 1 equals t. So let's substitute this for t. We have negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Is it equals negative 1 over 2? So let's find out this. What I'm going to have is this one, I can divide it by 1. So I can simply have negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1. Is it equals negative 1 over 2? Let's find the common LCM here. And the common LCM is 2. I have 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. Plus 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. And this equals negative 1 over 2. So from here, I have negative 1 plus 2. We are subtracting smaller number from a bigger number. So we are going to have positive 1 over 2. And this equals negative 1 over 2. Obviously, no. 1 over 2 is not the same thing as negative 1 over 2. So this shows that this particular answer here is obviously wrong. So what I want you to do for all the mathematicians in the channel, kindly solve this if you know how to solve it and drop it on the comment box. Thank you and goodbye.